Oh yeah. Little golden crispies. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little pan fishing session here and see if I can find some good eater gills. I want to take a couple home and try them out. See how good they are. There we go, that's a nice gill right there. Again, we're going to try a couple. We're going to try a couple to eat. That's actually what we're looking for. Wow, that's a jumbo. Alright, there's a nice gill right there. Filling up the little live well here. We're going to try some gills out. Go ahead and open this guy up. Let him do his thing in there. That's the kind of gills we're looking for, man. I haven't found that many that big. Not what we're looking for. Little gill. Another gill. Not the size. Beautiful fish. He's really green. There's a nice eater. Oh yeah. Come to the box. There we go. Big old gill. Yes. That's what we need. Again, first time ever going to be trying bluegill out. First time, so thank you buddy for biting. I appreciate you. Nice fresh bluegill. There's a gill. That's a fatty. Heck yeah. There's a nice gill. Add to the collection. There's a nice gill. Another nice one. Yes. Oh, that may be the biggest one of the day. That's a jumbo. Heck yeah. There we go. Nice size gill. Alright guys, just made it home. Those are going to be our catch, clean, and cook right there. Caught some really nice size gills. Going to try them out for the first time. And I'm going to take you along the journey. I really don't know how to clean fish. I've cleaned one in my entire life, which was not that long ago. So we'll see how we do. Alright guys, I'm going to be attempting to do a catch, clean, cook on the couple bluegill that I ended up catching here. I threw them on ice. That they've been sitting here for about probably an hour or so. I bled them out before I put them in here, but there's still some blood trickling. I'm doing it outside, and the bugs are kind of bad, so you may see me transition into the indoors. But basically, we're just going to make an incision right here behind the gill plate to the fin, and then we're going to cut along the back side of the fin here into the rib cage, and we're just going to get a nice fillet. I'm not going to do a skin on, I'm just doing a fillet out of it. I'm probably just going to deep fry it and see how it tastes. So just since YouTube doesn't like this kind of stuff, I'll show you the finished product once I got them all finished up. Alright guys, that's the finished product right there, a little pile of meat. I don't know if that's normal. I did the best I could, and it's not nothing crazy by any means. Definitely butchered them. Alright, now what we're going to do here, I got my fish, I washed it off in some water here. Got a little bit of excess water there, that's okay. Now we're just going to soak it in some milk. This is supposed to kind of take away some of the fishy flavor, so if you guys like the fishy flavor, you will not want to do this step here. But I'm going to try it just because I had tried fish from the lake the last time, and it kind of tasted like lake water pretty much. So There's certain parts that were good, and then there's other times where it was just really, really lake tasting. Like it literally tastes like lake water. So, all right, guys, on to the seasoning one. Now I already have one pre-made from the last time we made fish over here, so I'm going to be using that one. But we use the Andes fish breading here. This is the yellow traditional, and then we also use one that I don't have on me now because it's mixed in here, but it's this exact same brand, but it's red. It's in like an orangish bag, and it's called Red, and that's just for a little bit of spice, a little bit more flavor. So if you don't want that little spicy taste, you're just good enough to use this guy, but we like mixing those both in. Alrighty, go ahead and crack open our egg here. Break that bad boy right in there like so. Not to try to get any shell in there. Voila! We'll go ahead and stir that guy up real quick. Mix her on in there. Easy like so, and mix our egg up. We go ahead and take our nice chunks of filet. I'm actually just gonna dunk them right in here real quick, and then we'll go ahead and mix it up and go ahead and bread these guys up and get them ready for the pan. But nice little fillets there. All right, go ahead and coat these guys in that egg wash, and we're just gonna go ahead and drop them right in the batter or in the seasoning. Give these guys a nice little wash. In you guys go. Oh yeah. Never had fresh bluegill before. I had bluegill in Wisconsin when I was a kid a long time ago, but I don't even think it was fresh. Pretty sure it's just a bluegill. But I'm really curious to see how these guys are gonna taste. I think they're gonna be pretty dang good. We'll see. A couple little chunks there. Alright, and then we want a little bit of air in the bag so you can shake up all this stuff, and we're just going to give it a pretty dang good shake in there, make sure everything gets coated pretty evenly in here, and then we're going to go ahead and take it right over to the frying pan and fry these guys up and get them nice and golden crispy. Oh yeah, little golden crispies. And 2 to 3 minutes maybe on each, and they should be good to go. Should be able to drop all these guys in here. Golden crispies coming up. I'm going to turn them over once in a while too to keep them cooking evenly here. Golden crispy. Now we wait for them to cool, and we're going to give them a taste test. And then actually, if you guys want, I'm going to do that. Put a little bit of lemon juice in here. Get a little baster. And then you can just do a little dab. You don't want to overpower the fish by any means, so just a little bit of lemon juice on each one of those guys. Moment of truth. Yo, these are amazing. Don't drop it like that. Nice little flaky meat. I'm gonna try a thicker one here. This one actually looks pretty good. That's amazing, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the little catch and cook. We're gonna go ahead, finish these off, let the kids try them and the wife, and I will catch you guys on the next one.